Hi YouTube, I'm doing a video having the topic of discontinuing the hemi. What do you think about the hemi idea that they're discontinuing it in 2019-2018? I don't really want them to discontinue it because a lot of people use them for trucks and stuff, and high performance cars like the Dodge Challenger, Hellcat, the Charger. I really don't want them to discontinue because one, they want to go to the V6 like in the Journey and the van, and if they go to the V6, a lot of people are going to move on to the new GMCs or the import brand, because if Dodge discontinues it, then a lot of people are not going to be happy. And most of our family, me and my brother, first vehicle that we drove was a Dodge Ram and a Dodge Journey. But a lot of people don't want to lose the Hemi because one, they're built for power. You can put a lot of power to the motor without building it. And the Hellcat, the Demon that's coming out next year or this year, and if they discontinue it, a lot of muscle cars that Dodge made are going to be very expensive and very hard to find because Hemi is going to be discontinued. But please comment down below what you think if they discontinue, what you think. Would you be mad or sad that they discontinued? I hopefully that you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below and subscribe, and don't let people bring you down. And I hopefully you like these kind of videos because I enjoy doing them, and I wish I can do more and more about the topics of the big car plants, what they're doing. I hopefully you enjoyed. Have an awesome day, and see you in the next video.